This lesson is on finding the weighted mean. A weighted mean occurs when you have several values and some are more highly weighted than another. They're given a greater value in your average. So again, looking at the average number of leaves per plant, I know here that only one plant has 3 leaves per plant, but there are 2 plants that have 4 leaves per plant, and so I would have to take that times 2, so it's weighted twice as much as everything else. 2 times 4, and then I've got 1 5, 1 6, and 1 8. So the weighted average would mean then that I'm dividing not by 1 2 3 4 5 things, but 6 things total, because there were 6 values. So again, that's how we would find the weighted mean. We find 30, and then divided by 6 would give me 5, and so the average number of leaves per plant would be 5 leaves per plant was the average. This is a much more common example to use with a weighted mean. We have Unit 1 of a science course that you're in. Your test grade is weighted 3 times what a homework grade is. Quizzes are weighted twice what homework is, and then of course you have several homework assignments. So find your weighted average given those scores. So I know that I'm going to have to add up 78, 42, 99, etc. So I'm going to add those. For my quizzes, I'm going to add 2 of each, so 2 times 89 plus 2 times 76. And then for my test, that is weighted 3 times, so 3 times 82. How many values do I have total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? No. I've got 5 of these. I have 4 of these because each of these is weighted twice, and I have 3 of these because that's weighted 3 times. So 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 3 is 12. So I have to divide that by 12, or I'm not going to receive the correct answer. The sum of all of those values is 985, and then of course I'm going to divide that by 12 to find my average in the science class. And I get 82.0833, etc. So I have about an 82.1% in science class based on these scores.